everybody, welcome to the vlog. It is another day and it's another gorgeous, beautiful vlog. We are at the beach today, enjoying some sun. It is a gorgeous day, really absolutely gorgeous so far. Well, Travis and I are sitting up here by ourselves because we're down at the water and we got a little too far in and a little too much water. So we are sitting for a moment and drinking a little bit of water. Not salt water, regular water. In a bucket! We are all done with the beach. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah!
Oh, they're there. Say it again. They didn't see you.
Yeah!
We had tons of fun. I am hot and sandy and sticky and I feel gross, but these kids got to rinse off. I didn't bring any extra clothes, so I didn't get to rinse off and change. But we're gonna head home, take showers, and take some naps. Are you guys ready for a nap?
No!
No! Oh, darn. Alright guys, some time has passed. We've relaxed, we've napped, we've showered, at least I've showered, and now I'm gonna start making dinner. But guys, look at this. Back of my legs are totally sunburned. Look at that. That's like the one spot I didn't put sunblock on because I don't usually burn on my legs because I'm typically in the shade. The only place I usually get sunburn is on my back, and I didn't because I put sunblock on. But the back of my legs hurt. So next time, sunblock on the back of the legs and it'll be good. Oh dang, there it is. Breakfast for dinner. What's that face? Oh, hey, can you fix me? Fix me. It's like you're framed.
Hello!
I was like, our camera's totally broken. Yo, dude, in the water!
Yeah.
What's that face
peeing.
for? You're peeing?
You're eating dead chickens. Dead baby chickens.
They're not even chickens yet.
They're babies.
Hey, don't touch
You just
that.
killed babies.
No, we didn't.
It's the same as what you've got. I just have toast.
You got dead babies and ground up
Pig?
It's beef.
Those are beef? I was gonna say pork.
What you doing, honey?
Building a wild dinosaur. This is a wild dinosaur.
He's so cute.
Rawr. I think he is a miniature Tyrannosaurus Rex.
He's supposed to be that raptor called
He's a
Blue.
raptor. Yeah, I know, he's a raptor. So this is what it looks like before he gets an eyes and face.
He needs some eyes and face for sure.
Yeah. You got a little tail, little hands.
Alright guys, we are going to end the vlog right here. It was such an awesome, wonderful day at the beach. Just to spend time with our family and our cousins and watch the kids swim. Little Travis so enjoyed it. I wish I had like a GoPro or a waterproof camera so you guys can just see how many times he went under the water from being knocked down by a wave and me having to pull him back up. He loves it. He has no fear whatsoever and just goes at it. He does that with anything he does. He's so cute and so wonderful. We are winding down, taking showers, getting ready for bed. I am just completely exhausted. So we will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you tomorrow.